This is Pioneer's AVH-3500NEX. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM, CD, and DVD receiver with a 7-inch motorized flip-out touchscreen with detachable face security. The AVH-3500NEX is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Apple HomeKit when connected to a compatible iPhone using a wired connection through USB. The AVH-3500NEX is also compatible with Android Auto and Google Assistant when connected to a compatible Android phone with a wired connection through USB. The AVH-3500NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is backup camera ready and Sirius XM ready. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, the first thing we have here is the wire harness. And we use the wire harness here to make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver to the vehicle. Those connections are power, ground, speakers, all of those connections. Next up, we have the USB extension. Now, please remember the USB port is on the back of this in-dash receiver, and so we include a USB extension in the box so you can bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle, and you can plug in your phone for either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Next up, we have the Bluetooth microphone. Now the Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and it comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Next we have some installation screws, and we have a wireless remote control. There's the wireless remote. So let's pull the receiver up out of the box here. When we pull up the receiver, we get the quick start guide. There's the quick start guide, and please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right onto your phone from pioneerelectronics.com. And don't forget the warranty card. Okay. The AVH-3500NEX features a fully motorized 7-inch flip-out touchscreen. The volume control is here, and the home key and display keys are here. This is the voice activation key. The CD/DVD player is just below the motorized screen. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 7-inch touchscreen. And of course, detachable face security. The back panel of the AVH-3500NEX starts off with the USB port that can be used for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The USB port can also be used for music, movies, and still images from a USB flash drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. You'll use this port for the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. The yellow port is for adding on the optional AVH-U280 navigation system from Pioneer. The Bluetooth microphone included with the product will plug in right here, and this jack can be used to operate your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. The AVH-3500NEX has 3 sets of 4-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer output, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low output. Here is the audio and video RCA input and RCA video output. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. This is the audio and video auxiliary input. And this is where you'll plug in the power and ground wire harness connected to the vehicle. The AM/FM radio antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-3500NEX. And what's in the box?